What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Take a second right now, look down below, make sure you are subscribed, because about 95% of you guys that watch the videos are not subscribed. So I would really appreciate you guys hitting the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you smash that like button. So for today's video, we have another sneaker unboxing. And yes, I know I told you guys earlier in the year that I'm going to be slowing down picking up so many pairs, but when there's so much heat that's dropping in the recent months, and the fact that I was able to walk into my local sneaker shop and pick this pair up for retail, I couldn't pass up on this opportunity. And this is the first time ever having this sneaker brand in my collection, so I've been wanting to give them a chance and test out to see how comfortable they actually are. And you guys already know me, I'm on my dad vibes, I'm on my comfort mode, and when you guys are mixing comfort and style, it is a no-brainer, and that's exactly what Saucony, yes, Saucony, is doing right now. So right here we do have the Saucony J-Tips collab that released yesterday, and this is his second collab with Saucony. His first sneaker with Saucony was the Saucony Grid Azure 2000, titled Remember Who Fronted, and you guys can see similar colors from that one on this pair right here. But before we dive into the sneaker itself, let's go over the box just a little bit. So we have this majority purple box with a flag that says Savior on here. We have hits of the mountain range on the background. On the bottom of the box, wow, I didn't even notice this detail. Your day just got more comfortable, because I heard Saucony is one of the most comfortable sneaker brands out there. And they're known for making runners, and I've never had any of their sneakers in my collection, but I'm super excited to finally have this one. Now on his second collab, J-Tips decided to go with the ProGrid Omni 9. Here I did go with a size 11.5 because I did hear they run a tad bit snug, and unfortunately I'm part of Fat Foot Gang, so I had to go up a half a size on this. Right here on the side of the box, it also says made by J-Tips. As we open it up, ooh, the color on there. The color on this pair is amazing. So we did see 4 different sneakers drop, 2 of the same models and 2 of another models, but all had the similar colorway. This one being the most bright and vibrant out of the 2 that we saw. We saw this colorway, and then we saw a second tan colorway that has a lot of color to it, but this one just stands out a little bit more. I love this navy blue midsole, and that's what really sold it for me. Now, honestly, I might double back and hit up Soul Play, because this is where I picked up this pair. They had them on release date, super easy, just walked right in, and I think they might have the 10 pair still sitting. So I might have to go to Soul Play tomorrow and check it out, because I might be bringing that one home to the collection as well, because both colorways are super fire, and honestly, I don't know which one I like more. But this one caught my eye. I love the green sock lining. Green is my favorite color, and I just love all the little details. Right here, we do have a stitch. Yes, you heard that correctly. Stitch made by J-Tips in the sock lining. I love that there's not just a iron-on letters. I love that they went that extra mile to stitch it into the sock lining. Now, as you can see, there's a ton of different colors. We got navy blue, we got light blue, we got pink or salmon, purple, greens. There's a ton of colors. And similar to the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner, when you put all these colors on the shoe on paper, it doesn't normally flow together. But for some reason, when you put it on the shoe and the way all the panels flow together, it definitely works for this sneaker. Now, for the majority of the uppers, the materials on here is a mesh material with synthetic leathers going throughout. We have Savior written right down the back portion, as well as a globe on the remedial side. We do have the Saucony logo, as well as the ProGrid branding on the midsole. And for the outsole, is a majority baby blue outsole with hits of navy blue and pink going throughout. Now, as far as the tongue goes, we have an all mesh tongue with navy blue, light pink, and more of that salmon colorway, as well as that Saucony branding right there. And for the laces, they decided to go with purple laces to match all the purple overlays. We have that beautiful baby blue Saucony logo, and we already talked about this vibrant green sock lining, which I love. You know, when you add a pop of color that doesn't necessarily flow with the sneaker, definitely makes it stand out. And for the insoles, which feel really nice, on one pair it says comfortable shoes with the J-Tips signature, and on the other it says you should make a to-do list for today, with the globe logo right there at the bottom. Now for the other shoe, I think it's the same color blocking. The only difference is on this one, we do have the J-Tips flower logo. And like I said, on this one, they went with the globe worldwide. So we talked about the left shoe having the J-Tips flower logo, which was different from the right shoe. They also added the Savior patch instead of the Saucony logo. Now, do we get any extra laces? That would be a plus, but I don't think we do. Let me check to see. No extra laces, but that's fine because I love the way they have these purple laces. It balances out the shoe in my opinion and just ties all the purple accents together. Now, as far as material quality on this pair, Saucony definitely did not cheap out. All the material feels premium when it comes to the mesh, the synthetic leather, the plastic overlays, the sock lining. Everything looks like A1 steak sauce. Quality control looks amazing. I don't have any glue marks, any stains, any tears, any extra stitching lines. Everything looks amazing. Saucony and J-Tips, y'all did your thing on this pair. Now, retail was $180 on this specific pair, and right now on the secondary market, if you missed out on this release, you can find them going anywhere between $200 to $220 depending on your size. Now, honestly, I could definitely see this pair or the tan pair going up in resale value within the next couple of months. His first collab is selling for around $450, and I can see this one hitting the secondary market in the next couple of months around $350. Now, y'all know on this channel we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10, and if I had to grade the Saucony ProGrid Omni 9 J-Tips collab, I'm going to give this shoe a solid 9.5 out of 10. And this is the reason why I don't give it a 10 out of 10, is because I got to have this shoe on, wear it for a couple of weeks and test out the comfort, and I'll come back on this video and in the comment section down below, if the comfort is A1 steak sauce, I'll give it that 10 out of 10. But as far as colorway, storytelling, price point, availability, comfortability, to be determined, this is a fire sneaker and definitely in the top 10 sneakers to release in 2024. And let me know your thoughts and opinions on the J-Tips collab in the comment section below. Are you guys rocking with this colorway or the tan colorway? All right, y'all, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure you guys smash the subscribe button. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join up on a Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through and show some love as we continue to build up the community over there. So I'm about to put this sneaker on feet to begin my 14-day wear test. Yes, I'm going to be wearing the Saucony J-Tips collab for 14 days straight, and then be giving you guys an updated video once I complete that task, and to let you guys know the comfort, the wearability, and the durability of the ProGrid Omni 9. I can't wait to get this wear test started, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because in 14 days, you guys will be getting my full thoughts and opinions on this pair, and to see if it holds up with the New Balance, Asics, and Nike Vermeil Comfort, which by looking at it and hearing all the stories about the Saucony brand, I think this is gonna be perfectly fine and probably be at the top of the list for the comfortability aspect of all of those sneakers. It's been your boy Tim signing off. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.